Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the T-Mobile PIN number on your Android device. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change the T-Mobile PIN number Android device. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the T-Mobile app. Next, click on Manage on the bottom right-hand corner. Next, click on the gear icon on the upper right-hand corner. Now from here, you want to go ahead and click on Security, then click on T-Mobile ID. Now you're going to see a bunch of options here, but the one that you want to click is click on PIN/passcode. So once you click on PIN/passcode, you have to make sure that you click on the right-hand arrow that's magenta. You can enter your new PIN code here, and then re-enter it twice and then click on save. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the T-Mobile PIN on your Android device. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.